Hi guys, today we will talk about how to post a job on your LinkedIn app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. All you have to do, just go up here, you will click here on this picture here on app. Then it's going to show for you a window like this, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you window like this, and you click here on data privacy, and you come to next window here. You just come here and you go down. Then you come here to signal your interest or recreated here at company you have created job alerts for. You will click here, then you click here on manage job alerts. You click here, then it's going to take you here in this window. You click here on post a job, and here it's going to take you here. You add job title here, and you add here your company and the workplace here type and location or job location in job type, and you click here on next, and it's going to add video. So if you want to edit, you just click here and this sign here, and it's going to edit video. Thank you for your watching, and don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.